Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making the most delicious oatmeal you've ever had in your life. It's delicious, delicious, delicious. Not just any oatmeal though. First of all, it's not the one that you're going to microwave and then put stuff on top. You're going to get actual cooking oats, which is this stuff. And it looks like this. Sweet with a hint of cinnamon. It's a nice fall breakfast. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need cooking oats, about a cup of cooking oats. Flaxseed that you're gonna sprinkle on at the end. Hemp seeds that you'll sprinkle on at the end again. Coconut flakes, which you'll sprinkle on at the end. Cacao powder that will mix into the oatmeal to add a hint of like a chocolate. It's a natural chocolate though, so it's vegan and everything. We're gonna sprinkle cinnamon, half a cup of almond milk, half a cup of water. The ratio for oatmeal is for every half a cup of oatmeal or cooking oats, you're gonna need 1 cup of a liquid. You can either do a cup of water, you could do a cup of almond milk, you could do whatever liquid you like, but you're gonna do a full cup. So I like to mix half a cup of water with half a cup of almond milk to make up 1 cup. So let's begin. Turn the fire on medium heat. Add your liquid. So again, I have half a cup of almond milk, half a cup of water to total up 1 full cup. Let it warm up a little. as soon as this thing comes out. You want one of these? Look at his tongue. Keshi, you want a treat? You want one of these? Is this what you want? You want one, Bubba's? Look at mommy. You want a treat? You want a treat? Okay. Look at how gently he'll take it.